Got a car problem that only shows up while driving? Here's an easy way to capture the data and find the cause. Plug in icon to the vehicle. In the car's software, choose your vehicle. Click Read Fault Codes. And then Real-Time Data. Choose the parameters you want to record. Then click Flight Recorder. Read and follow the instructions. Press the button with a flash on it on your icon to start the flight recorder. When the problem occurs, press the flash button again to make a mark of it. When you are done with the recording, hold the flash button for 3 seconds to stop the recording. To see the recording from Flight Recorder, go to Rec in the software. Click Read Template to upload the recording. Then click Upload Session, followed by OK to save the file to your computer. The result of the flight recorder is now presented. You can choose to see the information separately or combined. The yellow vertical lines show your recorded markings. Use the arrow in the timeline to see how the values change. You can choose to see the information in different ways. After checking the recording, you can take actions to solve the problem. If you want to check the recording later on, just choose Rec, click Open File, and then open the file in question. Autocom Flight Recorder. Super easy, super helpful.